Welcome to cooking class. Today
Poor dog.
Song does a horse make?
The song the ass can't sing. What song is it? What song the ass make? Sing it. Repeat yourself.
What song does a horse make?
Ass alas normal.
If it is 23 minutes to 7, then what is the time?
7:23. 23 minutes to 7. What is the time? 5. 70 minutes to 8.
And did you know that babies are born without a kneecap?
No, I never know.
Well, if you didn't know, now you know.
We have a black guy, you know, do it like, you know, I'm a girlfriend, husband come home early from work. But in here, know some there in yard still. If not, maybe in know so everything alright. And he never have to come home. It's one thing alright, yeah. He come home with his tool bag. And like one hammer in that bag. And he put it down yourself. I don't know if he needs to see my face still when I put it down. A good youth, I know him long time, and me and him never have nothing. I know my wife, good too. You know what I mean? So it's like he come home and me did it. And I like me that teeth are nothing because me that teeth have on close. You know what I mean? So I just that happen.
Wait. Alright, so you see future where iPhone level them come with now, you can't answer miss call. And it's when you put your phone on flight mode, you're going straight to Dubai. You see when you turn on the flashlight on the phone, it can light your cigarette and can light all your stove. You see when you're asleep and a dream, it take your picture of your seat the next morning.
Why the fuck aren't you vegan yet?
The major organized crime and anti-corruption agency is now investigating the circumstances under which a prisoner came to the gun court in downtown Kingston on Wednesday with a key for his handcuff. The prisoner said cops at the 100-man police station gave him the key to escape after leaving court, saying he knows what will happen if he testifies in a particular case.
Hello, good evening everyone. I'm the person that made the video the other day, and I just want to apologize to everybody what I say, but I went out and I take a few drinks and I didn't know what I say, but my daughter cleared the air for me, and I'm very sad what I say because I'm ashamed of myself, because I'm having Negro people too. I'm having my daughter is a Negro, my granddaughter is a Negro, and I apologize to everybody, and please accept my apologize because I didn't mean it in that way. But is a girl who she started to abuse me, and she started to tell me bad things. That's how Cody's going to do all things. So I give her back the answer. So my mother is a mixed person too.
In the next 2 days on the
Jamaica's not a real place, no? The man them actually thief the vaccine them to go sell a little more, no?
Alright, you have one general, put a signature right that's all. So everything may have to be. Yeah, put a signature right that's all.
So at the fridge, where fridge? I pass the fridge on the phone.
See phone now. What much house nicely?
Eh? Where is it? Still outside.
See fridge man. How much are you?
Go in the fridge on us. Go in the fridge.
How much you can get the ice one?
No water there.
The ice one.
No water there.
The ice
No
one.
water there. No water there.
I'm going to put juice there.
No juice. Listen.
Sugar water.
None there.
Oh God, man. Oh God, me general. Oh God, me G.
Brother, I come for deliver. Alright,
me G. Big up yourself.
Me love how to deliver fast though.
Yeah, man. Big up.
Man, alright, man.
Avada.
Ik ga dit met een vaar.
Right.
Ik ga op tik. Ik ga op tik aan aanstomen. Ik ga killen, man.
Who is your friend? Who is him?
Who is you?
Who is your friend, boy?
It's you.
Who is your friend?
Kira.
Right. Out of Avada. How you turn your back? How you turn your back?
Hey, why? I remember my comment. Got to him down.
Oh, you mean? I must chuck him.
Don't again.
Wait till I catch him again. Wait till I hold him.
You can't do it again.
No, me take up tick. How you do the tick? What you gonna do this stick?
Can you do it again?
How you gonna do this stick? How you take up stick after?
Apologize to him.
Apologize to my backside?
Yes.
Go away. Go away.
Can you apologize to my friend?
Hey, come beat me with this stick. Come beat me.